So I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Alien palette, and I'm going to use the color Gravity with the Morphe E23 brush. It's a lot of fallout. Now I'm going to move on to the Juvia's palette. This one right here. And I'm going to use the color Crepes. And I'm going to use the brush Morphe M532 with the color Crepes and put on my outer lid. I have no idea what I'm gonna do today for tonight with this makeup look, but we are going with it. I'm going to use the e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm gonna use the color Cream from the same Juvia's palette and put it all in the center area of the lid. Well, the inner corner, I mean. You know what? We are going for it. I'm going to use my Morphe G28 brush. Let me grab a makeup wipe and clean that real quick. I'm going to squeeze out some concealer. Okay, me, my little egghead self. So I'm going to create a wing with the Pro Concealer that I have. Okay, so I just made the line with the concealer. Alright, so that's the wing. Okay, so I just did this wing and I'm going to clean it up right here. What I used was the Macarons color from the Juvia's palette, and I used the Alien palette with the color Alien. It's another green shimmer just to lay it on top. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side off camera. Alright, so this is the look that I did. It's a very simple look. This is all I'm doing, and then after that I'm going to do eyeliner, but I'm going to actually outline the wing with it. So let's see. I've been going in with all this crazy makeup, so we'll just keep going in with our crazy makeup. Right, I'm actually gonna go back with that same palette that I used, this one, and I'm gonna use the cream color again for the blush. It's such a pretty color. Sometimes I forget which step I do next, so I have to really think about it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the eyeliner. It's already shaped, so all I have to do is just outline it with my eyeliner. Alright, let's hope it doesn't give me a glare. Yeah, it's too late. I'm gonna do this off camera, okay? Alright, so I just finished the eye look. The outline of the liner took forever. I'll tell you that right now. And then after that, I just grabbed the Alien palette and used the Ghost OG with my E36 from Morphe brush and put that on the lower lash line. So now we're going to carry on to mascara and then eyelashes. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that off camera, and I will see y'all back in a second. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look. For highlighter, I just used the Anastasia and Nicole palette. I used Forever Young and Daydream and a little bit of my Juvia's Loose highlighting powder. So this is the look. Let me know what y'all think down below. If y'all have any requests, like I said, leave them down below as well. Like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.